Oh. There were so many boats out there last night.
Oh,
they were just no, they were rushing out there.
Oh.
I don't know if they're some were fishing and a lot were just like running out.
Should I just go over on this to get the boots, or?
Yeah, actually, we could do that. Yeah. Said he wanted to do the other 50. That's the only other 50 we have, so.
Where'd they put the poop one?
It's up on shore, I think.
It's on
Isn't
shore,
it?
the
Yeah.
one that was like shredded.
So we decided to finally move all of our nets from the slough out onto the combine, so we were grabbing our last 50 fathom net here.
I think it was a bunch of like Russian boats or something, because there was just like a line of lights coming from town, and they were all just rushing out.
So with this last 50 fathom net out there, we would now have a total of 4 full nets out on our sites. We were short an anchor here, so we stopped by one of our slough sites to grab an anchor from one of the nets and put out on the combine net.
Dunk. Well, the shore's starting to fall apart slowly. And this whole chunk was once, it was literally, we were there and our net was stacked on that. And then it was just sitting on the ground.
Well, even the corners,
Yeah.
That one is done.
Let it out, EJ. There was a big wave or two in there. What's that? I don't know. Doesn't seem like there's much out here right now. Imagine taking 4,000 pounds in a creek and like knee high. A little breezy out here. Wasn't as bad as last night, but it was a bit choppy still. I had around 6,000 pounds all in all from all the nets. We'll go back at around low tide, which is in like 4 or 5 hours or so. Got 4 nets out there now, so all combined. Right, low tide. Time to go with low tide. right here.
This one's a bit stiff.
To perform what is called, or what is known as, a low tide pick, where you get out of the boat, you get into the water, and you pick the fish at low tide. EJ currently has an obsession with this, and he wants one bad because he loves suffering.
I love this dude.
And he loves getting wet.
He really bad. You know when you get in the water.
See, this is okay. A low tide on a sunny day, it's all right. A low tide in the dark when the fish are hitting at 12 a.m. when it's raining and windy is not a vibe. Production. Oops. Putting these net lights on so we don't have to come out here as early to do it. It gets dark around 12 to 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. Minus 0. Thank you. Do you want to top that one off? You guys are gonna starting your fillet, EJ.
Every year the guys take some fish back home. So usually towards the end of the season we start filleting some salmon and putting it in the freezers, and then we take it home in coolers on the plane ride home.
I think this one's like a different brand. It's like black.
We're done getting small fish, dude.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm gonna fuck up every single one. This is pretty good.
That was. I don't think Cole's ever even come close to that.
Dude, I don't know why. The second I get to the other side after my left hand, I can't do it.
That was so chopped.
There wasn't any. It was just skin, bro.
One thing with the bigger fish too is like their meat, it just turns out better because there's not like, there's more to work with.
More like small fish. The big fish are like the normal size fillets. We've just been dealing with the king fillets, which are like fucking.
Why'd you listen to me then?
Size fillets. What?
Why'd you listen to me then? I didn't realize how small.
I was like, maybe he knows what he's talking about. Maybe he's like, I want to eat my fillet in one bite.
Like that's a kid's meal right there. No, we're not wasting fillets, you gooner. He's over here just botching the shit out of fillet.
Yeah, so EJ was still kind of new to filleting at this time and also had a busted up finger on one of his hands from the other day, so he was on the struggle bus in terms of filleting right now.
Dude, this is actually like a... You get to smoke it.
Well, I just last.
Okay, let's see which ones are EJ's here. Oh,
That's obviously not.
that's all bone right there. Oh, why is it so fucking... Like...
You could probably let that one go. You could probably let that one.
Bro. It's like he stabbed it.
You could probably let that one go.
Choppy. Nope, that's some shit out.
And
Dude.
I'm only holding in the knife like this.
You're packing all the...
I just couldn't even do it. As long as you carry up.
Mine turned out pretty good. I did a couple of these. Oh, here's a really nice one. Let's try Seth. Okay, here's a not so. It's okay. Not bad. There's a nice one.
I'm gonna go up. Next time we need to take the fish up, and then I take the stupid stick off my finger, and I can actually use my hand. I have the stick on it while I'm out here, so.
Man, that's another one of you. Like, the problem is, like, it's good to have a lot of meat, but also you don't want too much because you get this section with this like upper thicker spine spot, and it's just so annoying to eat because there's all bone and it doesn't taste very good. The best stuff is like the near where the stomach and the tail is. You just gotta keep doing it. You do it, and it'll get better. Just do some test fillets.
Now. It's because I don't have a hand.
Well. It's like zero fish out there right now. I'll probably get a little switch fish on this low tide, I'm guessing. Ooh. How's that low tide pick, EJ?
Great, I probably have a hole.
Got a hole in his waders.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, got a little pee-pee hole down there. You could try to those waders. They're probably the same size, and I think they're good.